I'm here with the Asus ZenScreen and I wanted to unbox and test this thing to see if it lives up to its name. So it supposedly helps with eye care here. You have some eye care settings and it is 15.6 inch and you are able to take this with you with your laptop. So that should be really cool. And you have like a little pouch here, it seems. That's nice. Oh, and that also doubles as a stand. That's pretty cool. You can do that in two ways. Soft material. There's a sturdy middle here, so that's cool. Let's look at that in a minute. You've got the warranty book right here, and then the little manual, very basic stuff. Then you have a USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C. So it is meant to be used with USB-C. Of course, for your laptop screen. So it's a little bit different than a real monitor here, which uses HDMI most of the time to connect to your computer or your laptop. And here is the screen itself. So let's get that out. A nice soft little pouch. And that is, well, nice and crisp. Very small. It's lightweight, so you can easily take this with you. Here is like the case you can put it in. So you can bring this with you. So that fits nice and snugly, and now you have a nice monitor that you can bring, which is pretty cool. And let's get this off of here. So it says Asus ZenScreen, USB Type-C monitor, IPS, ultra-wide viewing angles, auto rotate, which is also nice because you can also put this upward for like coding or something. Ultra lightweight, tripod socket, so you can put this on a tripod. Oh yeah, that's cool. So it has this standard 3.5 inch screw wire here, which is used by tripods and all camera equipment. So you can put that on an Energy Star. Okay, so let's take this off. And then see what we can do with this. So let's see if it will already turn on. Okay, so let's see if we can put it on this stand here. So we have the flaps and then these flaps. You can open that up. Then flap this to the inside. This right here. And this right here. And this right here. Oh, and then you can put this in A or B position by using the Velcro here. Okay. So we have that nice stand here. And now we should be able to put this on the stand. So you have the carrying case and the stand is all in one. So that's quite nice. I like that. So let's USB-C cable here to extend my laptop screen. So we can take a look. So it seems there's also no need for any external power supply whatsoever, which is nice. Here is the USB-C input port. And then we have two buttons here and an on button right there. So I think that could be for the menu, those buttons. Let's plug this in. Yeah, and now it will turn on, which is cool. So here we have the ZenScreen. I like the fact that you can bring this along with you, and now I can see my monitor where I'm recording, of course. But I like the fact that you can take this with you. You have the case, which doubles as the stand. It doesn't seem to move anywhere, although it's just like a fabric stand. So perhaps it's not the best in like wobbly situations or where it could get knocked over because it's just loose on there. But you do have that extra thread here at the back. So you can easily use that and connect that to like a little grip. One of those camera grips, which could also be cool. You don't want to be pushing this around because it can fall off quite easily, but having this little flap here ensures that it does stay in place quite well. So it seems quite sturdy and it looks pretty nice. So let's look at some gaming footage on this. Okay, so this is Forza Horizon 5 and it looks pretty cool. I don't think you want to play any like very modern games on this. It's not meant for that. It's mostly meant for, I think, work on the go, but it is a pretty nice monitor. The colors are nice. So I really recommend this for anyone who needs an extra screen when they're on the go.